Hi, I'm Craig Strong with Lensbaby. I'm here to talk about the newest Omni Creative Filter System expansion pack. In that expansion pack, there are 14 new effects. First, let me introduce you to the system. This is the platform that everything goes on, a magnetic ring. It has magnetic attachments that you can move around, these arms that allow you to articulate your wands once you put them on there. Each one of these things can be put in front of your lens. Once you've got it in place, you've got your hands free to shoot to your heart's delight. So that's the Omni Creative Filter System. You need that to use what I'm about to show you, which is our Rainbow Expansion Pack. It comes in this felt case. You open it up. It has universal clamps that allow you to put 11 of the effect filters in place. There's two here, a short and a long one. In the back, we have various filters, 3 rainbow filters. Now each one of these has a slightly different shape, so you can tell the difference without us having to print on them or destroy part of the effect. These rainbow filters go into the universal clamp. That leads me to a set of 3 different iridescent quilted films. Now when these are flat, right next to your lens, they create this amazing tapestry of flare, color. You can see through them in one color and you reflect off them in another color. In addition to the 3 rainbow filters, the 3 iridescent film, quilted iridescent films in different colors, we also have a set of color filters. You can see blue on top. We've got white sheets of paper in between so that you can see what the color is easily. Red, green, blue, yellow, orange. Orange has this day glow aspect to it that will create kind of a nostalgic warmth to your image, like you're shooting on expired film, which is a little risky, but you can do it here with a colored filter, which is awesome. In addition to all the films that go into these 2 universal clamps that come with this kit, we have 3 brand new crystals. The first one, shaped like a little bat. It has facets, a color coding that as you turn it, it has subtle color shifts. I am going to mount this on my lens. As I turn that, I'm going to get various different effects. The scallops on the edge will gather light. It's almost like looking at the ocean with the sun coming off of it, where you've got little waves, you've got all of these little points of light. That's what those scallops will do on the edge. The back of this crystal is flat, so it will reflect. You can reflect something that's not even in your image. The next one is the repeater. This one has a bunch of long facets that split your image into all sorts of slices of a single subject or multiple subjects, depending on how the light is coming in there, or if they're really close together. It might go from one subject to the subject right next to it. You can put that anywhere over your image. It can cover the entire lens. My 50mm 1.8 from Nikon, I can cover the entire lens with that by putting it down close to the glass. The third one we call the scepter. The extra thick coating on this creates color effects. As you turn it, those colors change to where you can bring in purples, blues, greens that aren't even in your scene because of the type of coating that this has. This is one of my favorite sets of wands that we've ever come out with. These 3 brand new ones are really compelling. You can use all 3, affect one part of your image in one corner, and the other 2 corners each get their own treatment, or put it dead center and have the other 2 bringing in flare from the sides. In this felt bag, before I emptied it, is a ton of effects. Those 14 new filters, 3 new glass crystal wands, 2 universal wands. There's so many options for what you can use these universal clamps. You get 2 of them in this kit to go with your Omni Creative Filter System. I've shown you some pictures of our amazing ambassadors that were testing this before I got to make this video. They made me so excited about what it can do. So now it's your turn. Find ways to make this pack work with your vision of the world. Let that vision grow, because as you look through a lens, everything changes. These are essentially lenses, whether it's a filter or a crystal or an actual lens, you're looking through something that's changing the way the world looks. You see things that I don't see. So go see the world in a new way through the Omni Creative Filter System's brand new expansion pack, the Rainbow Expansion Pack. At Lensbaby, we empower artists to move through fear to discover extraordinary creative freedom. Anytime we change, anytime we grow, anytime we're looking to do something new, there is just a little bit of fear. Sometimes there's a lot of fear. Go embrace that. Make this something that is worth changing over, growing, finding a way to incorporate it into your vision of the world. Thanks for joining me for what's in the Rainbow Expansion Pack for the Omni Creative Filter System. Now, go have fun.